Okay, mate. Yeah, you're talking about the DT here. Um, it definitely is possible in a way. I'll just go back to my gold chart here that I posted the other day in the group. I still have this here on one of my screens. Just to keep an eye on it, you can see that we have this DT forming, very much like gold had a DT forming when we dropped out of that top on gold. Can we see that there? It's hard to fit it all in. Um, Anyway, I'll just zoom in a bit. So, like, we are definitely still in this DT triangle, and this was a big pump yesterday. 12% pump can sometimes dry up the buyers, and then the sellers can slowly creep back in, without the bulls realizing, and before they know it, it's too late, and they're underwater, and then the market doesn't come back. So you need to be very careful that that people don't get trapped here. This is a trap point for the bulls. That very well could, like, it's the same here, right? Probably in somewhere in this area when you come into the top range, people are thinking it's going to break out and we're going to go to the all-time highs, but in fact, it actually just traps the bulls and we just grind lower. So definitely need to be careful of that. I was looking at this earlier today and I was thinking something like that is very possible. It really depends, but when you're stuck underneath all moving averages like this, just like we were here, it can suppress price. It can put pressure on price, and also we still have the very large volume right here. So I wouldn't be buying Bitcoin here. I'm just in some of them shit coins at this point in time, still holding from yesterday. I'm just working on another project here at this point. So I've not even been trading today. I'm just working on a bit of a project for the group. It's just an addition to the group that just came on board. So I've just been pretty busy today. But definitely, mate, this DT is a real possibility. Definitely worth keeping an eye on. And you can see here, gold did the exact same. If I give one last look at it, who knows? It's very, very possible.